Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing fantastic on this beautiful day here in St. Augustine. We're at Mill Creek Forest today. It's a Toll Brothers community up in the north end of St. Johns County on Greenbrier Road. And I want to show you guys I've already done the models here. You've probably seen those on the channel, but I want to show you the amenity center here. It's a small one, but man, it's packed with a lot of cool stuff. So come on along and let's take a peek at it. All right, the lodge here at Mill Creek. Plenty of parking right out here. And what they've done around this area, they've left all of these trees, of course, did all the landscaping, but they've left a lot of the natural trees here. So it's a very cool space. Again, not a ginormous amenity center, but for the size of the community, a little over 300 home sites, it is packed with lots of cool space. So we're gonna go inside, we're gonna check out the pool area, we're gonna check out the tennis/pickleball court, all right? So we're gonna go, first of all, before we go inside there, I'll show you all that, the fitness center and all. Let me show you the kids' play area and the tennis/pickleball courts. Hope everybody's doing fantastic today. Sharon and I do appreciate you guys. But you can see all the natural beauty they left. They didn't just wipe it all out and build an amenity center. Looks to me like they try to blend it in, right? Blend it in with the environment. So nice kid space, okay? Again, they even landscaped around this. And Mill Creek Forest is Toll Brothers only community. They've developed it and they're building it. They've got quite a few homes done and they've got their final phases thereabouts are going on now, it looks like to me. But anyway, tennis court and pickleball court. They got the lines for the pickleball court built within the tennis court, okay? All right, perfect. All right, gang, let's take a peek at, well, first of all, we're gonna look at what they call the yoga studio. All right, we'll go in there and take a peek at it. When I said final phase, it's not a final phase. They're just they're over halfway done with the community, it looks like to me. Anyway, nice little studio here. They call it a yoga studio, but it looks like it's just got a nice space for maybe some private workouts, some alone time, or maybe just one or two folks doing some of that kind of workout, okay? Going across the hallway, we're gonna check out the actual fitness center. And this is where I said for a small amenity center, this is one of the areas in which the community center shines because, again, not a ginormous community, 300 home sites, but the fitness center here is amazing, the stuff they have here. Pretty cool. All right. Very nice. Cardio, free weights, machines. They've got it all, okay? Everything you would want for sure. Let's go check out the pool space. And the pool space is the same kind of deal. It's got everything built into one space. All right. Of course, you got the bathrooms and all the stuff that you would want. All right. They have a club room here. They also have minutes for their board meetings and all that stuff up here. And I'm sure as the community does things, they probably also have all those notices up there too. But check out this. You can open up the quad sliders there out to the pool area. And we got all this area here for, gatherings and whatnot. So it's a pretty nice space, well appointed, very clean, very neat, very tidy. It's kind of a pretty space. So we'll go out and show you guys the pool area. Of course, you got some bathrooms right over there. But look at this nice sitting space, gathering time, for the community. Those look pretty dang comfortable right there. Foosball, big screen TV, so well appointed. And what's really kind of cool about this pool space is it's one pool with everything wrapped up in it. You got your zero entry here, you got your 8-inch little shelf over there, kind of some cool beach sort of chairs there, maybe, and then some on the other side. Then you got your step down. Okay, it's about 4 foot. The pool on average looks like about 4 foot in the center, but on the other side over here, so you got your party and hangout pool and all the sitting space around it. You also have a couple lap lanes. So I've done a good job in incorporating everything you would want in a pool in one pool. So pretty dang nice. All right, and I have one more place I want to show you over here, which you don't really see this in communities, so I thought this was kind of cool. You got some bags games. You got some cornhole games for you cornhole fans out there. Again, everything's well landscaped. They left a lot of the natural surroundings. So pretty dang nice. All right, gang, that's the amenity center, the lodge here at Mill Creek Forest by Toll Brothers. here off of Greenbrier Road. If we can get you any other information, give us a shout out. We appreciate you guys watching, and I look forward to giving you more information on the next one. Have a great day.